You were explain about data marts.
Yes.
Could you say it again, please? I don't get it a little bit.
Okay, so data mart is basically a smaller version of your data warehouse, right? So for one particular group. So initially, like I said, we ingest data, whatever type of data, Excel files, flat files, different vendors, right? It's so in mortgage project, you worked with 27 Excel files, correct? You ingested the data, like you got the data from those, not 27, I don't remember how many. So that ABCD, was it in mortgage project, wherein you got the data from Excel file? Okay, I remember, it's one Excel file, one like table, SQL table, and 7 or 8 XML files, correct? So you got the data from there. At work, there are different vendors you can get data from. One will host one kind of data. They are sending every day, they are sending you that information about say personal information, customer information, loan information, all of that. Somebody is sending you about the payments that a customer is making. So there is a different vendor for that. They are sending you the details. There's a bank vendor who is sending you all the details as to what all transactions they are getting, right? So there could be, so before working for a mortgage industry, I was working for a finance company. They had different vendors, like we got information from banks like this one, Bank of America. And then we got information from credit card companies, like say Visa information, because credit card transactions, everything from that, right? So they are different vendors. So all of the data we are getting and putting it into a data warehouse, correct? Now from the data warehouse, we have business people who are concentrating on certain type of information. They want only credit card, all the credit information that was swiped through credit cards. They don't want the this one, like whatever reverse transactions, they don't want anything like that. For that we have a different uh, uh, this is more detailed, I would say. Okay, say we have a data mart for only bank information. Okay, so anything related to bank, we put it in a data mart. So we have a data mart that houses only, say finance people want some other information, so only that information. We have a third data mart which houses only reconciliation information. So anything that is you are trying to reconcile, so for every credit that credit card you swipe, the bank has like your so when you swipe a credit card, okay, so and you're paying something, the money has to go from your account to bank, correct? So it is basically debit from you, credit to bank. But say millions of people are doing it on a daily basis, and all of that has to be reconciled somehow. So for that we had a separate team who did all the reconciliation. So they wanted a different data mart. So basically for smaller things, right, data warehouse houses everything, but you want for a specific type of data that you want to create for the different business users, right, you create a data mart.